In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Surfshark VPN on your Firestick in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get you connected securely and seamlessly. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the official website of Surfshark VPN. Just open up your browser and type in surfshark.com. Here you'll find all the tools you need to protect your online activity and ensure your privacy. Once you're on the home page, look for the My Account section. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. In this section, you will see several options, but your focus should be on logging into your account. Click on the Login button to proceed. You might need to enter your credentials here, so have them handy to make this process as smooth as possible. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Surfshark's home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your VPN services and other options. From your dashboard, you'll want to download the necessary apps to get Surfshark running on your devices. So, navigate to the Download Apps option. Clicking this will open a new page listing all available applications. To simplify your search, proceed by clicking on the All Applications section. This ensures you have visibility over all the Surfshark apps available, and you can select the right one for your Firestick. Now, you're almost there. From within the list of available applications, locate the section specifically for smart TVs. Once you click on Smart TVs, you should see an option for Fire TV. That's what we're interested in. So, go ahead and click on Fire TV. By now, you should see the option to download and install the app directly on your Firestick. Ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet, and simply follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the app is installed, open it up and log in using the same credentials you used on the Surfshark website. After logging in, your VPN should be ready to use, providing a secure connection for all your streaming needs. Make sure to explore the app's features, connect to your preferred server, and enjoy a safer, unrestricted browsing experience. And that's all it takes to install and set up Surfshark VPN on your Firestick. Before you know it, you'll be streaming with privacy and security. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check out Surfshark's support page or consult their extensive help section for additional guidance. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy surfing safely and see you in the next tutorial.